What's going on, everybody? This is Muhammad again with another video of 5 minutes of automation. In this video, we're going to learn about something important called property node. So basically, we're going to work with numeric tab here, and then we're going to work with the tank. So this tank is defaulted with the color blue. So how can we change the color of the tank if it is below a certain range, like if it's below 5, and how to change it to another color if it's above 5, and so forth. So assume it's critical or so forth. So we could even make it blink, but what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to make it change the color. And how do we do that? We do it through something called property node. So if we go to block diagram here, we've got the tank. If you right click on the tank, you go to create, and then you go to property node. And this is all the property, it contains all the properties about like this tank. Anything related to its properties is here, so we can control it. So I'm not sure about fill style, but we're concerned about fill color. So we're going to take this property node and then control it. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a continuous loop here. So it's going to be a continuous loop. So create controls. Now in this continuous loop, let's put in a delay here so that it does not run so fast. We can just put in 100 milliseconds. Okay, so what I basically want to do, if the value of the tank is below a certain limit, then I want it to display red. And if it's above that limit, then I want to display it to green. So to do that, we're going to need, we could either use a numeric, or we could use a sliding fill bar, or we can use a knob. So let's use a knob for this sense. So let's make it bigger. So the knob maximum value is 10, which is the same as the maximum value of the tank. So let's go there, and then we're going to directly use the knob. So the value here is float, the double. So it understands it as double. You know, the orange color represents doubles. So the same for the tank. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna see if this, we want to control this, right, directly. And then here I want to make an if statement. So I'm going to create a case structure. And then we're gonna see if this value greater than constant 5, then true, then we want to set the color to green. Otherwise, we want to set the color to red. How to get color? We can go to numeric palette, and then we can go to framed box. So basically, we're gonna double click that. What I need from this is a constant. I don't need this control. So I can delete this control. I don't need it anymore. And then I can set the color to the tank. So how to do this, we convert this to right, change to right, and then we connect it. And then we click on this and choose the color. So this is true, so I'm gonna set this to green. And then the same thing, we're gonna create the same thing here. So I clicked on control and dragged and drop. And then I'm going to set it to red. So if we run this right now, and then, so it is red. If it goes above 5, it turns into green. Goes below 5, it's red. Goes above 5, it's green. So that's a pretty simple thing that I just wanted to share with you. Hope you liked it. It is useful for indicating, making some nice visualizations to your design if you're doing anything with automation.